Okay, I am back again. I am back again for us to continue. Are you there? Are you there?
Yes.
If you are there, can we make a
Yes, sir.
small noise?
Yes, we are.
Very good. So we are going to look at what we call cell cycle. All of you say cell cycle.
Cell
Cell
cycle.
Cell cycle.
Cell cycle.
Just you know the meaning of cell, and you know the meaning of cycle. Do you understand? So cell cycle is a four-stage process. Four-stage process by which a cell grows, replicates its DNA, and divides into two genetically daughter cells. I said that this cell cycle is a process, is a four-stage process by which a cell grows, replicates the DNA, and what? Divide into two genetically daughter cells. So the process of growth, then replication of DNA, and division is what we are looking at. And this cell cycle is very, very important in any cell. What are the stages of cell cycle? I say it is a four-stage process. Four-stage process by which a cell grows, then replicates the DNA, and then divide into two daughter cells. So what are the stages? Mainly, the stages of cell cycle, they are four. Can I name them? Can I name them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
G1, comma, G1, comma, S, comma, G2, comma, M stages. These are the four stages. These are the four stages.
Please, sir, can you come again, sir? Sorry.
I say that cell stage, the cell cycle is a four-stage process. It's a process that involves four stages, in which the cell grows, then replicates its DNA. I hope you know the meaning of replication. Replication means doubling. I hope you understand.
Yeah.
Replicates its DNA
Yes.
and divide into two daughter cells, two daughter genetically identical cells. So let's take each. And so I say that stages involved are one, G1, G1,
G1.
G1, then S, comma, G2, and M.
Okay, thank you.
These are the stages. I hope you're following. Let's look at what happened during
Yes,
G1.
sir.
Let's look. So G1 means gap 1. Then S is what? Synthesis stage. Then G2 means gap 2. And then M means what? The metaphase, or the mitosis and cytokinesis stage. So we are going to look at it again. So what happened G1? G1.
Hello, sir. Please, can you repeat yourself, please?
Okay. I say that cell cycle is a four-stage process by which the cell grows, replicates its DNA, and divides into two genetically identical cells, and divide into two genetically daughter cells. Then it involves the following stages: G1, S, G2, and M. G1 is the first stage, which is gap 1. It is called G1 is called G1 phase, or in brackets, gap 1. So G1 phase, what happened here? So the four phases of cell cycle is G1, S, G2, and M. So let us look at phase G1. What happened here at G1? The cell grows physically larger. Copies organelles and makes molecular blocks. At this stage, the cell grow very well. Is a growth phase. Is a growth phase. G1 is a growth phase. Just summarize it that way. That G1 is a growth what? Phase. You understand? So, and for
Yes,
most
sir.
cells, it is the longest phase. This growth phase is the longest phase. Then S. The second phase is S. S is the synthesis phase. S is the synthesis phase. It is the phase in which the cell synthesizes replica of its DNA genome. It is the phase in which the cell synthesizes a replica of what is DNA. A replica of its DNA genome. So the cell synthesizes, that's why replication. That's why we define cell cycle as the process in which the cell grows, then replicates its DNA, and then divide into two genetically daughter cells. So at S phase is the synthesis phase, while the cell synthesizes what is DNA. The cell synthesizes DNA genome. Are you following?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The next phase is G2 phase. G2 phase. That's the second growth phase. G means growth. Second growth phase. G2 phase is the second growth phase. But the G1 is the first growth phase. G2 is second growth phase. So this stage involves preparation for separation of newly replicated what? DNA. This stage involves preparation for separation of the newly replicated what? DNA. So is the cell now prepares to replicate, to separate.
Sir, please, can you come again, sir?
Please come again, sir. Please.
This is G2 means the second growth phase. I hope you remember G1. G1 is the first growth phase. Then G2 is second what? Growth phase.
Growth cell.
Yes, it involves preparation for separation. It involves preparation for separation of the replicated DNA. Preparation for separation. It involves preparation for what? Separation of the what? Replicated DNA.
Second separation. Yeah.
Then M phase. M phase.
Meiosis.
This is the mitosis phase of the cell cycle. It is the mitosis phase of the cell cycle. I say that this is the mitosis phase of the cell cycle.
Yeah. Sir, in what page can we find in our course material, can we find this same topic, sir, so that we can still go through it?
So when you see mitosis and meiosis in your course material, cell cycle is under it. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So let's look at
Sir.
mitosis stage. Yeah. So this is the stage, the phase
Now what page?
M, which is the mitosis phase. So is the phase of the cell cycle in which the spindle apparatus assembles.
Sir, come again, please.
Is the phase in which the spindle apparatus assembles.
Spindle.
As spindle apparatus, spindle. That's something we call spindle fibers. This is the stage in which the spindle apparatus assembles. binds to the chromosome and
Sorry,
moves
sir.
binds to the chromosomes and moves the sister chromatids apart. Binds to the chromosome and move the sister chromatids apart.
Sorry, sir. Please, can you come again, sir?
This is the last
Sir,
time.
please, can I hear you from here?
This is the last time. So pay
Sorry,
attention.
sir, sorry.
I
Thank
said
you,
that
sir.
Yes, sir.
it says in which this is the phase in which the spindle apparatus assembles, comma, binds to the chromosomes, binds to the chromosomes and moves to the sister chromatids apart. And moves the sister chromatids apart. It also involves splitting of the cytoplasm. It also involves splitting of the cytoplasm, creating two daughter cells. It also involves splitting of the what? The cytoplasm to produce what? Two daughter cells.
Sorry, sir. Splitting of what, sir?
Of the cytoplasm.
Splitting of the cytoplasm to produce.
Sorry, sir. Why is the
Now,
material is not actually displayed?
put in brackets cytokinesis. Put in
Can you hear me?
brackets cytokinesis. The splitting of two daughter cells to produce the splitting of the cytoplasm to produce two daughter cells is called what? Cytokinesis. That's why I say put in brackets cytokinesis after that statement.
So
Yes. I will also
why
forward a diagram.
why
I will
you
also
know
forward
you did
a
not display
diagram of
the
cell cycle
material, sir?
WhatsApp group
Or
so
the
that so let me summarize this.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. What is
The splitting of the
cytoplasm
to produce two daughter cells called what?
cytokinesis. Cyto, cytokinesis. 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 CYTOKINESIS.
Hello, sir.
I will forward a diagram of a cell cycle to our WhatsApp group so that you can see it. So let me summarize this.
Okay, sir.
I said that cell cycle is the four-stage process by which a cell grows.
Please, can you drop the WhatsApp link again?
And
Sir,
divide.
Please, you don't have the WhatsApp group.
Guys, hold on for after the classes.
Please, can you add them to the WhatsApp group? If you don't have the WhatsApp group, I'm putting my phone number here so that you can send your phone number to me, 08037509910. So my phone number is on the screen so that if you send in your name, I'll add you. Then please, other members of the class can also add new people too. So,
okay, sir.
I said that cytokinesis, I said that cell cycle is a four-stage process by which a cell grows, replicates its DNA, and divides into two genetically daughter cells. And the stages of cell cycle are G1, S, G2, and M. So these are the phases of cell cycle: G1, S, G2, M. So G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and M phase. G1 phase is the growth phase, the first growth phase where the cell grow. Then the S is the synthesis phase where the cell synthesizes a replica of its DNA. The G2 stage is what? The second growth phase where that involves preparation for separation of the newly replicated what? Genome.
Yeah.
Then you now have the M phase, which is the mitosis and the cytokinesis phase. So in the mitosis phase, a spindle apparatus involved spindle apparatus assembles, binds to the chromosomes, and move the sister chromatids apart, and then leading to the division of the cytoplasm, creating two daughter cells, in bracket, cytokinesis. This is where we are going to call it a day today. It has been very good today. We have been able to discuss, today is week 4. We have been able to discuss reproduction, binary fission, multiple fission, mitosis, meiosis,
Hello, sir.
importance
Hello,
of
sir.
mitosis,
Please,
the
we are
difference
getting
between
the link late. I'm sorry.
meiosis.
Sorry for interrupting, sir.
Keep quiet,
Sorry
keep
for
quiet. Let me
interrupting,
finish
sir.
this lecture.
But we are getting
You are
late.
interrupting this lecture. I said keep quiet. So we look at the significance of mitosis, that's the importance of mitosis, the differences between mitosis and meiosis, the similarities of in mitosis and meiosis. Then we look at cell cycle. We have been able to define cell cycle and look at the phases of cell cycle, which involves G1, S, G2, and the M phase. This is where I call it a day. If you have any question, you are now authorized to ask your question. That is how lectures are done. So you can ask your question now.
Hello,
I'm
sir.
sorry,
Please,
sir.
can you
I'm
repeat
talking about
the
the class
topics that
link.
we have
It came
gotten?
late to me, so I don't know if every other people are getting the link late. That's why I was able to. I was joined. That's why I joined
I'm
late
getting the
today.
link later, so not only you.
Please, I got
Yes, me too. I don't know if it's from
3.
your end or it's from our end.
Okay, let me answer that one. I was thinking that the link is there in your platform, in that by 101 platform. So, but next time I will post it 10 minutes to the
Same here
time.
also. I got
Next
this.
time I
I
will
don't know
post it
what's
10
wrong,
minutes
sir.
to 3.
That would be great.
Okay,
Then,
sir. So about for us that are not in the group chat, because most of us
no,
are not in the
there
group
is a
chat, so we
letter.
don't
There is a
know.
letter I write using the people that are registered in the platform. Your email, if your email is there, is effective, you get it directly. It's not people like
It's
So
not as
I
if,
just
sir.
sent.
It's not as if.
I just sent a text to
We
you
are
on
not
WhatsApp.
getting it. We get it
Good
For you
evening,
to
sir.
join the
Please, sir,
WhatsApp group, please, sir.
can you post your number again?
my number is in the chats. Have you? Don't you see it? I
Sir,
think
I
it's.
just sent you a text. Sir, I sent
You
you a
don't need to
text.
send text
Hopefully,
now.
you add me to the band.
Hello,
I
sir.
am
Please, can
doing.
you list out the
Now you
topics
can
that you have
respond when you
treated
can. You
so
can
that we
respond when
can
you
still
can.
read it on our own?
Sir, you can respond when you can. I'm just telling you that you should please add me the time whenever you have your time to like
Sir,
add me so I
please, if
can.
there is a WhatsApp group, let them add also.
Please, sir, if there's a WhatsApp group, let them us. I'm not in any
Sir,
WhatsApp
please,
group.
let them add us.
Yes, there is a WhatsApp group. People, the admin of that WhatsApp group should please add other people in that WhatsApp. But I will try as much as possible. I've sent in my
Please, you guys should add
phone
me
number
also.
here.
I'm not
Sir, please, if
aware
you
of
can
those
send us the
WhatsApp
link.
group.
Is my
Please, I'm
my
not in any WhatsApp group and it's disturbing me. So
I
I
say
will be
that
able to follow
my
up.
number is now on the screen, on the chat screen. Go to the chat area, you will see Professor Wani. Copy my phone number there and then send me your name in the WhatsApp, in my own personal WhatsApp. You say hi and explain that you want to join one. I will add you.
I just did that, sir. I just did that, sir.
Yes, now if you have done that, wait
Okay.
now. The lecture is still
sir.
going.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thanks, those of you that have brought it.
Okay, sir.
Any
I will
other
chat you
question before
privately,
I
sir.
exit? Any
You
other
guys
question?
should
No,
drop
sir.
the number in the computer
Sir,
science.
please, I said, can you list out the topics you say you have treated so far so we can still go through it on our own?
Go to your go to the platform. You see all the topics treated. If you go to the platform, you see it.
So I'm
We
not
are
on
not
any
there. We are
platform.
not on the platform yet. That's it.
If you register
Just try to put us
the
through.
national
This is my
open
first time of joining your lecture.
Hello, sir.
the National Open University platform, the NOUN platform, you are going to see all the topics that have been posted. And then you even see
Sir, you
the
just listed that some few topics here now, not quite long. Can you just repeat them one again?
I don't understand. You say what?
You listed out some few topics that you have touched already for this week or week one. Can you read them out again?
You mean the topics we you mean the topics we
You
covered
said
today?
something binary fusion and some other things. Can you please repeat them all over again?
No, I don't have that energy to repeat the lecture again. What to do is that
It's
I'm
not the
going to
lecture,
send.
it's not the lecture, the topics you said you have touched for the poll.
Listen, I'm going to send the voice notes
watch it on your portal later.
of this lecture into your WhatsApp.
Yes.
I'm going to
thank
send
you, sir.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine.
the lecture into into that WhatsApp platform so that you can listen to the lecture at your convenient time. Is that okay?
Okay. All
Thank
right,
you.
so
Yes,
that's
sir.
fine.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you and God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. We are grateful, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Yes. Okay, okay. Oh, who did for this group chat? Make it out of
I bet who be group chat admin?
in case you lecture, I don't forget or English on that, not